presenting a pre-owned 2016 Kia Forte LX. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 1.8-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Kia has less than 145,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 26 miles per gallon in the city and 39 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, front air conditioning, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.